This is a tutorial for first graders on how to use Tagxedo. First, let us click on our internet browser. As soon as you get there, you have to type your web address, which would be www for World Wide Web .tagxedo .com, and then you press enter. When you do that, you'll get a toolbar here which says home, create, and shop. And then you'll get similar ones here which says create, shop, learn, gallery. So let's go to create. And we're going to give it time to load. Okay. Now let's go to load. And what I'd like for you to do is to please type in a little about yourself. So we'll start with myself. And I'm going to say, hi, my name is Jayshree Reddy. I teach first grade in America. I love to teach. I'm going to change that. I love teaching first grade children in first grade are eager to learn and very curious. Okay, now I'm going to say submit right here. I'm not going to say submit there. I don't have my web page, so I'm going to say submit right here, and there it goes. Give it a little time, and you see this green bar running. That means it's working. It's going to change those words. Okay, so let's close the screen. And there you see Jayshree there, you see grade, you see love, teaching, all these things. Okay, let's move on. It says theme here, so click that little arrow, and what you can do here is you can change the color scheme there. So I'm going to go ahead, and you can go ahead and try them out. See, that's how it changes there. You go whichever birds, it goes if you like black on the background. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go for forest life. I somehow like that. Okay, changed it immediately. Okay, now I'm going to go to font because I think this is very mixed and I want to figure out what kind of writing, just like we each have different penmanship, we can choose a different font. So I'm going to go to Little Trouble Girl simply because it sounds like fun, and again you'll see that little green bar over here telling you it's busy. And what it's doing is it's changing the font here. Okay, there you go, and I'm going to close that. Now what I want to do is I want to go to orientation, and orientation will tell you which direction your words or your letters are facing. So let's click on that little arrow, and if you say any, you can see it'll go all over the place. This one's again working to change it to any. Okay, all right, you've got mixed. You could go orthogonal, and that is two different styles, little horizontal and little vertical, little of this and little of that. And then you could go to vertical where all of them will be standing up. I like horizontal, so that's what I'm going to click. Okay, and let me close that screen. And now I'm going for a shape, and you can choose any shape. Okay, as you all know, the elephant is Mrs. Reddy's favorite animal, so I'm going to see if there is the shape of an elephant here. And if I find a little elephant, that's the one I'm going to choose. There it is, elephant. Okay, and I don't want to invert it. I want it to stay as it is. Okay, we are ready, and I'm going to click it. Okay, now I go save, or I can share. And I'm going to save this, and let me save it there, okay, as a JPEG. Okay, and I'm going to say Tagxedo tutorial, and I'm going to ask it to save this on my desktop. Okay, got save. Then let me close this and close this screen. Remember, you should always close your screen before you leave the computer. Okay, and we're done. Now it's your turn to explore.